Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Abdul Hadi from class 3rd. Today my topic is major form of computer. There are four forms of computer: mainframe computer, mini computer, supercomputer, microcomputer. Now I explain mainframe computer. Mainframe are large and powerful computer. Hundreds of people can use this computer at the same time. Mainframe are used in banking, finances, healthcare, insurance.
My name is Zaki Ahmed. Now I discuss mini computer. A mini computer is a computer that sits in between the range of mainframe and a personal computer. It is multi-user system and also called mid-range computer.
My name is Ayan Haider. Now I discuss supercomputer. Supercomputer have been designed to do complex calculation at faster speed than other computers. The supercomputer are very expensive.
My name is Roja Sif. Now I discuss microcomputer. A smart digital computer based on a microprocessor and designed to be used by one person at a time is called microcomputer. It is also now as personal computer. These are used at home, shops,